Welcome to this episode of CGT Prospecting Adventures. It's experiment time, you guys. I found this crazy looking nugget rock type thing, metal detecting with my Gold Monster 1000, about 6 inches deep in my creek at my claim. So let's get busy with an experiment.
Man, I don't know what the fuck this thing is, but holy shit, you guys. I mean, it's got quartz in there. I thought it was a piece of melted aluminum. I mean, it's kind of shiny when I beat it, but I don't know. You look at it in the loop, and it's just crazy. It's not very heavy, but whatever it is, if that's aluminum, it's been melted years and years and years. I don't know. That stuff's crazy right there. Now here's a really strange thing. That rock, that broke right through that rock, both halves. So whatever this is, it's harder than the quartz because it actually broke the quartz. Now, I have no idea what I found here, but this thing's crazy. It is not heavy at all. I mean, it's got some weight, but it's not heavy. So, I mean, that keeps making me think aluminum.
This is campfire aluminum that I metal detected. No comparison. That one little piece right here is twice as heavy as those two other pieces. Nothing the same about those at all. Alright, friends. How's all my friends doing again? It's another experiment time here. We still have, once again, the muriatic acid. It's 20%, basically pool grade. Now I've got a piece of quartz here that I got out of a mine. Supposedly it was a silver and gold mine. And you can see shining on there, I don't know. Lay it back down in there, you'll actually see that one corner right there sticking out of the water. Got the mica in there. Anyways, I can zoom this out a little, maybe. I do have my rubber gloves. Outdoors, do not do this indoors. I'm just going to pour, that's just plain water in there. Now we're going to pour some muriatic acid in there and make it almost a 50-50. Wow, what's going on here? We see the quartz being eaten away. The other one's very slow. I'm going to step back because I do not want to be near that. I'm kind of changing direction. It's 6 o'clock now in the evening, and it will probably take about 12 hours to dissolve all this. I'm going to add just a little more. On my gloves, got to rinse the gloves off a little bit. We're going to let this just chill for a while and let you guys throw out some comments and discussion here of what you think you might see. What is that one piece on the right that I found metal detecting in my creek at my claim? I figured I'd just do the smaller piece. What the heck? I don't know how close there was any refineries around there or smelters or anything like that. So I'm definitely standing back because I seem to change in direction. I think I'll stand down here. Wait. Breath. Like I said, you guys, I'm going to go set this in another spot where it's away from the front door, away from the house. I just have to do this right here where it'll be close enough. We'll check back in about 12 hours. 12, maybe 14, might be about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning.
You know, I'm videoing from about 8 feet away, and I can still kind of smell that stuff. Might not take 12 hours, but definitely stay back. Might have made that a little strong. Alright guys, it's been exactly a half hour. I'm going to carefully do this. I'm going to hold my breath and try to find each piece in there and see what they look like. That's pretty cool. Almost nothing left of that. Oops, sorry. A little grass in there. Cover that big rock back up. Okay, I gotta get away from that. Okay guys, here's some of the material from what I put in the acid last night. You can see the pyrite and the gold and the silver mixed in there too, as this does come from the claim that has gold and silver, or mineshaft, old mineshaft claim that has gold and silver. I'll add some close-up photos here. See more of the pyrite and the gold. Little pieces of pyrite and gold in there. All these little pieces back here have both gold and pyrite. Well, as you can see here, that piece right here started out 11.4. Now it's 3.6. It spent 6 hours inside of the muriatic acid. I'm not going to mess with this other piece, just a cool specimen, but it's Galena. I do believe it's Galena. It's not. If it is smelted slag, not sure what else it could be, but the inside of this, looking at it in the scope, it is not slag of any type. It is a mineralization form. If anybody really knows, I do believe Bill Souther commented on one of my pages on Facebook that it's Galena, and I believe he's right. So I'm still trying to zoom in on my hand. That's going to do it for today's episode, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the experiments we did, and always remember the safety tips. And you guys, if you like this, hit subscribe and hit that bell, and we'll see you on our next adventure here on CGT Prospecting Adventures.